If your dashboard says, "Some driver assist systems cannot operate, radar obstructed," don't panic. This warning sounds serious, but most of the time, nothing is broken. It simply means the radar sensor can't see clearly right now. Modern cars use a front radar to control features like adaptive cruise, collision warning, and emergency braking. When the sensor view is blocked, the car shuts those systems off temporarily, to stay safe. First step, look at the front of the vehicle. Check the grille, the emblem, or the flat panel in the bumper. That's where the radar usually lives. If it's covered in dirt, mud, snow, bugs, or road salt, the sensor becomes blind. Even a thin layer is enough to trigger the message. Clean it gently with a soft cloth and water. No pressure, no sharp tools, treat it like a camera lens. Next, check the windshield area. Some vehicles combine radar with a front camera. Fog, ice, or heavy dust on the glass can block it. After cleaning, turn the car completely off. Wait about 30 seconds, then restart. This lets the system refresh and recheck the sensor. In many cases, the message disappears right away. Sometimes it clears after a short drive, once the radar confirms a strong signal. If the warning stays on, there may be a sensor alignment issue, wiring problem, or calibration error. Even a small bumper tap, or minor accident, can shift the radar angle. That's when a professional scan and recalibration is needed. But remember, most radar obstructed warnings are caused by weather or dirt, not expensive failures. Heavy rain, thick fog, snowstorms, and bright sunlight can all temporarily disable the sensor. That's normal. The car is protecting you until visibility improves. Clean the sensor, restart the car, drive a short distance, and in most cases, the warning fixes itself. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, comment your car's year, make, and model, and tell me which lights are on. I'll tell you exactly what to check next. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.